Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to write blog in our website on wix.com. So first of all, you have to go on your website dashboard. Then you will see this bar in your left side of the screen. Here you will see blog. You have to click on it, and then guys, once you click on blog, then here you will see create new post, and you can go with these templates. If you want to write with these templates, then you can go and edit these template, and you can get the blog with the sample. You can write your title over here, and then you can write your blog. You can add the pictures, and then you can post it by clicking this publish button. And if you want to write your self, then you can go with post, and here you will click on create new post. Here you have to write your title, then you have to write your blog over here. I write the tummy text, but definitely you have to write your blog over here. So once you're done with it, then you have to click on save and then go with publish. Once you click on publish, then you can see your blog has been posted to your website, and if you want to edit it, then you can edit it by clicking here anytime. If you want to add some changes, so you can edit from here. And guys, in my website you can see this is my blog has been showing over here. So guys, this is how to write blog in website on wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.